Hi everyone, I'm Anna Peters, Sam Villa ArTeam member, and today we're sharing the Bushel Braid. This is such a fun braid to do, and it's really important to have these little braids in our back pocket for when our clients show up with that Pinterest picture. That beautiful full braid that you would love to create. So today we're gonna teach you how. It's very simple, and just follow along. So to get started with our bushel braid, we're gonna wanna make our first ponytail. And this is gonna come from about the client's corner of their eye straight back. Once you establish that ponytail, go ahead and just clip that out of your way. And you're going to make one more ponytail right below that. It's important to not make these elastics too tight because we want to be able to pull hair through afterwards. So about 2 to 3 wraparounds, depending on the hair density. So we're going to take a section of hair from the left side of the top ponytail and the same size section from the ponytail below. Holding that bottom section in our thumb and index finger, we're gonna make an OK sign and drop that hair from above right down, laying nicely in that open finger. Taking that section from below, now we're gonna move this section up and over into our thumb and index finger. Taking a section from above. Keeping our sections really neat and clean is important to where the bushels will show nicely. So the top hair is going to hang out in these 3 fingers. The bottom hair is always going to come up and it's going to cross over and join the hair in the thumb and index finger. So just remember that as you're going through this braid, top hair hangs out, bottom hair comes up, crosses over, and joins that thumb and index. Close those fingers and then just drop that top section. Keeping consistent with the size of the sections you're taking as well will help to make those bushels look just right. Thumb and index finger grabs that bottom section, and then taking a section from the top, it hangs out. Section from the bottom comes up and over, joining the thumb and index. You're just going to continue this until you run out of hair from the top ponytail. So just going through and taking slices of sections of hair till you run out. And really keeping your sections and all the hair nice and clean. You'll notice if the hair is out of place, and all you have to do is just go back and fix it. Don't keep going because it's gonna mess up your end result. Up and over. Section from below comes up and over. Last section up and over. At this point, you're going to want to separate those 2 amounts of hair and clipping that top up out of your way so that you can make a new ponytail for your next bushel. All right, so just tying that elastic around, keeping those ponytails consistently about 1 inch apart from each other. I'm gonna move her up a little bit. And now we're gonna continue. Now we have these nice segmented rows of hair that's so easy to grab from the top sections, and you're just gonna grab from the bottom and continue the same pattern. But at this point, just grab the sections that are already separated from your first ponytail and let that be your top piece. All right, so top hair is gonna come down and hang out. These fingers stay closed like an okay sign. You see that? It's okay. This hair hangs out. Section from below comes up, over, and joins your thumb and index finger where all the hair is gathering. Up, over, section from above, keeping your rows in place. Section from above hangs out, and then the section from below is gonna join the thumb and index finger. I'm just gonna continue until I run out of hair. All right, once you run out of hair, you're done. You can just clip this top section out of your way. And from here, I'm gonna decide to just put an elastic around this and finish my bushel braid. You could continue all the way down the hair if you'd like, or you could stop at 1 or 2 bushels. So from there, this is the fun part. Using your tail comb, we're gonna go into everywhere there's a row and we're gonna start blousing that out. So you can see you're just gonna reach in there with your tail comb and segment by segment or your fingers, you're gonna start to pull that hair out. And it's up to you how much blousing this way you want to create and how much texture and volume you'd like to see. Now we're going to move on to the second one. I'll show you how to do it with your fingers, going in and just kind of pinching and pulling. Pinching and pulling on both sides, and you just want to do it until you see exactly what you're wanting. So fun. This is so satisfying to get to just pull these bushels apart. And because they have that ponytail as the anchor, there's a lot of strength there. They're not going to fall apart, and they actually can just hang out just like that. All right. And then from here, you could just do another elastic to finish it off, or you can move this into whatever, maybe another braid or an up style that you'd like to create. So with this bushel braid, we're working with 2 ponytails, taking one section from the top, dropping it down into our hand, taking a section from the bottom and going up and over that top section, joining it into our thumb and index finger, never letting go of the hair that's in our thumb and index finger. Always working consistently with the size of our sections and the width and depth of our ponytails, always about 1 to 1.5 inches apart. From there is the fun part where you get to really blouse out your bushel braid and make it what you want it to look like. So here she is, our beautiful bushel braid. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm Anna Peters, Sam Villa ArTeam. Thanks so much for watching.